Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another review from Smart Tips. Now, if you're watching this review right now, it's probably because you're having an issue with the side deflector on your lawnmower. Now, the issue with these side deflectors is that over time, after you, open this up and down for this deflector here to shoot some grass out the side, eventually what happens is these little tabs right here, you guys can see here, and here they actually wear out, which doesn't allow your deflector to stay on. So what you have to do is you have to buy a replacement deflector. So this reflector replacement is identical. As you guys can see, it's identical to the other one. However, the biggest thing is that you have to take your spring off the old one and you need to place it on the new one. And so just to be clear, this just comes with just this piece. It does not come with the spring. So all you'll have to do is just get a little flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry out this little pin right here and slide this pin out so that you can get this spring, and you can get this little spring right here to pull this piece out and to place on the new one. And again, I think I mentioned before that all that's holding this deflector in is these two screws that go on the top here. So let me swap this out so I can show you guys what it's going to look like on the new one. All right, so it's been probably about 2 minutes. So I just had to slide that pin out and then kind of get it off inside of this little piece right here, and then slide the pin back all the way until it gets about flush with here, and then you can actually wiggle and pull the spring out. So that took me probably about a minute, and then it took me a minute to do the exact opposite to get the spring back in here. So let me go ahead and I'll install it onto the lawnmower, and I'll show you guys exactly what it's going to look like when it's done. All right, and now I have installed the chute door here. You guys can see it's working exactly as it's supposed to. You guys can see the two screws that are holding it in. There are 3/8 screws on the underneath, and that is going to be it for this review. So if you guys are looking for this chute door, this is going to be the right one for this particular Toro. And remember, you're going to have to replace this spring yourself. It's not as bad as it seems. Honestly, it only took about 2 minutes to pull the spring off, and then probably another 1 minute to 2 minutes to install this door on the new one. And as you guys can see, now I can stick this in here and actually use my chute again, because it was not working, because those two little clips are, those two little plastic clips that break on here are the ones that hold this chute in place. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and kind of instruction on how to fix this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.